Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Phil Caribbean family. So it's been a while since my last upload and I apologize for making you wait, but life can be so busy, so I had to prioritize the most important things. But anyway, I am just so excited to share with you guys our small wins since we moved down here in the Philippines. So a little background about our family. We left the USA last December of 2024. We stayed in Costa Rica for 2 months because originally my husband is from Costa Rica. And then after that, we left Costa Rica to the Philippines last February of this year. So since February, we tried our best to get settled here in the Philippines. So in this video, I just want to share with you guys our small wins, and I hope some of you will get inspired and learn something from this video. I guess my main point of sharing this video is to share the importance of patience, because like moving from a different country to another country is not easy, you know. There are a lot of adjustments, and sometimes we can lose our cool, especially when things are not going exactly the way we plan or the way we want it, you know. So that is why it is very important to have patience and believe that everything will happen in God's perfect time. So anyway, I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Congratulations, Daddy.
Today's official. I'm literally officially a permanent Philippine resident. God did everything in Manila, and then since we had to fly back to Mindanao, so they just mailed it to Mindanao for us. So I just picked it up.
Yan. So, pupunta kami ngayon guys ng LTO. So, we'll try to see kung hopefully makakuha ang asawa ko ng driver's license. Ipa-convert niya yung driver's license niya. Yan, para na. Todo na to. Yan talaga. Para todo na to talaga ang pag-move namin dito. Oh, congratulations, Daddy. Nakuha na talaga ni Daddy ang kanyang driver's license. Yeah, and you got your permanent residency. Yeah, so we are so thankful. So, mag-order muna kami. Dito kami sa KFC ngayon. Dito kami sa KFC ngayon. So, we're gonna make our order. Rachel, what do you wanna get?
I won't tell you guys.
What? Oh, no! You'll find out later. Si Rachel, nag-order siya ng lemon tea. Video.
Wait, it's crazy because I got
Did you
lemon.
count your change?
Yes, I got lemon change and
Siyang rubber duck. Bumili lang siya ng iced tea para makakuha siya ng rubber duck.
Quack. Quack. You got me.
Daddy, she paid 89 pesos for this just to get a rubber duck. 89.
And I also...
Yeah. At least maano siya, mahaba siya ba. Ayan. And ano lang siya dito. Okay na siya. Sa ano ko ito na nakita sa Teens. Ayan. Yes, so we are heading today to my father's house. Kay pipick up namin siya to come with us today, pero hindi niya alam guys kung ano ang mangyayari ngayon. Guys, magpasa lang kami ng mga requirements namin, guys, para hopefully everything will be good. Okay, Daddy.
Everybody ready?
Yes.
Let's jump!
Walang kamalay-malay. Fix imo hang t-shirt ha. Hi!
Hindi na siya makita.
Pwede ko mag-take of video ha? Sige, hi!
Congratulations!
Thank you. Nanong congratulations man? Wala ka pala akong papa. Ha? How do you like it pa?
Daw ni isa.
Ha?
Pakapin.
Pakapin. Kani kaha pa oh.
Pakapin ni kanito ya.
Yeah. We told Rachel, let's prank Lolo. Oh. So, ayan na guys, ang papa ko, siya na yung nagda-drive ng ng sasakyan. Nagko-convoy kami sa kanya. Yan, so, yeah, we are so happy guys na finally we got the car that we really wanted. Right, Daddy?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. It took
right now.
yeah, it took us a little while, but you know, everything happened for a reason. But at least now we're so grateful.
Sige, sabihin thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Mag-picture na tayo ah. Thank you. Sige. Okay. Si ano na? Ay, ano pa? Siren! Siren mo! Yan. Say thank you ha. Sige. Ano yan, tita? May tita siya. Sige, lahat dito sa harap para mag-picture tayo. Dito sa tumangan.
Picture. Ay, pwede pa picture?
Okay.
Picture, good gang.
Doon harap.
Yan na na i-stop na ng video niya.
Dali mo.